Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. I am so sorry. I usually get myself together for my intros, but I didn't have time today. Who cares, right? I'm trying to get today's video edited for you very quickly. I'm going to show you how to make the best lemon pepper chicken. It is so good, very flavorful, and you guys are going to love it. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're going to start with 4 medium-sized chicken breasts, about 2 pounds of chicken in a baking pan. I'm going to drizzle the chicken with a tablespoon of olive oil. I also have 4 cloves of minced garlic going in. Next, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper spice, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. Next, go ahead and season with salt and pepper to your taste. I use about a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon pepper. And for some good lemon flavor, I'm going to add the zest and juice of 1 whole lemon. When you're zesting in the lemon, make sure you're only zesting the yellow part. Avoid the white part because that part is very bitter, okay guys? Go ahead and add your lemon juice. Then you're going to go in with your hands and toss everything together. Also guys, we're almost at 100,000 subscribers and I just want to say thank you to all of you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and for all your positive comments. They really keep me motivated with the videos. Once everything is tossed in very well, arrange the chicken in the baking pan. Then you're going to slice a medium onion and add that to the chicken. The onion is going to add a nice touch of flavor to the lemon pepper chicken. Randomly place the onions around, in between and under the chicken for maximum flavor. Next, you're going to place 3 tablespoons of butter on top of the chicken. Cover your chicken with a saran wrap and let it sit in the fridge to marinate for at least 2 hours to soak in all those delicious flavors. If you have time, you can even go overnight. Once your chicken has marinated, you're going to bake it in a 375 Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 40 minutes. The baking time depends on how thick your chicken is, so make sure you have a meat thermometer on hand and check for an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. And here it is out of the oven. It smells so good and it's so juicy. Look at all that chicken juice. I served this with multi-grain rice and asparagus. It was amazing. I also like to serve it over my salads. It's amazing. You guys, look at how tender this chicken is. It pulls right apart. If you guys want to make this recipe, make sure you check out the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.